Alright, this is going to be Lesson 2, Video 2, demonstrating some of the changes that I made to the application here. So, homepage, nothing really different about it at all, actually. The first change was making all of these different options here. Originally it was just Dart and Java repeating, and you'll see that in my original video I'd already changed that before I recorded, but I added individual functions for each of these on the registration controller. So that would be my first change. And now my second change that I added was going to be a profile page. So similar to the last one, it does have some validation here. If we tap here, you'll see that it asks you for your name, asks you to choose a major, and to choose a job summary if you selected yes above. So we'll go ahead and fill this out just to see that that is working. Name validation is just that it has to have something, some kind of text in the field. Just regular text box there. Major, we added an option here on your profile to choose a major. So I'm information science. Do we have a job? Yes, just kind of a little bit of an option to tell about yourself. And then if yes, please choose from below. So you can specify full-time, part-time, internship, externship. I'm full-time, so update profile. And actually see here that it prints us name, major information science, job summary, full-time, and it obviously gives us a little status here showing what is checked and unchecked. So that will be my extra additions and creative work for lesson 2.